Tired of Uber Eats ID verification headaches blocking you from deliveries or ordering your favorite food? First, ensure your ID is valid, not expired, and matches the name on your Uber Eats account. Take a clear, valid photo directly from the app. Avoid shadows or blurry images that can cause errors. When uploading, double-check you've selected the correct ID type, Euro driver's license, passport, or another accepted form of identification. If the upload fails repeatedly, head to the Uber Eats help section in the app or on their website for specific troubleshooting tips. There may be details related to your country or region. A simple workaround is to clear the Uber Eats app's cache and data in your phone settings. This resolves corrupted data that might be interfering with the verification. If clearing the cache doesn't work, completely uninstall and reinstall the Uber Eats app. This guarantees that you have the latest version. As a last resort, attempt ID verification on a different device, like a tablet or a friend's phone. Your primary device might have camera or software compatibility issues. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out to Uber Eats support directly through the app. Prepare to furnish them with additional details about your situation. They can provide personalized help to resolve your ID verification troubles.